Hello and welcome to Chris Hill Motorcycles in Doncaster. Today we've got something a little bit different for you. This is the 2002 Suzuki Sachs DR650. So yeah, it's a DR650 with the Sachs Roadster kit, and it just, not only does it sound fantastic, which we'll get to in a minute, but it just looks great. What a great flat tracker this is. The detailing is fantastic, it really is. It's yeah, just them pipes, the number board, the tail seat, the tank, everything about it, it just looks proper. It is a really nice looking fresh bit of kit this. I've just been around the block on it and I can tell you it rides very nice. So yeah, obviously got the DR650 engine in, so plenty of torque there. Just love the minimalist mudguard on the front, single headlight. Just yeah, just sits really well. So this bike's just come into stock. I think it was built approximately 900 miles ago. So yeah, just real nice fresh bike. So I'll just fire this bike up for you, and yeah, it does sound very nice. I'm life in the old girl. So on this particular bike we can offer nationwide delivery starting at £125, excluding the extremities as usual, i.e. the top of Scotland, the end of Cornwall type of thing. We can probably offer finance on it as well, with just a maybe £100 deposit, but please ring for an exact quote or email us, and you can call us on 01302 760 967. Or you can email us chrishillmotorcycles@googlemail.com. But yeah, real nice bit of kit. We are open now. Just come down, but please wear a mask, obviously. The kettle is always on. And if you'd like to keep up to date with more of these vehicles that we're getting in on a daily basis, please like and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, lovely nice little bike that. And have a good day, folks. Cheers.